I'll take all the blame, I'll take all the wrath and pain. Dirt on my name, anything to make you see.
So let me hear it from the riots and the dissonant rage. All together make a harmony for everyone's pain. Spray the bullets in the sky, but it's all misplaced. So go shoot the messenger if that's what it takes. I'm a hypocrite, and I always have been. The middleman singing in a place of ashes. And if they ever catch me getting loud, I got the whole world coming at me like it's oncoming traffic. You think you knew, I know you don't know. If you did, you'd be living cutthroat. So if you ever had a question, could you ask it? But first take a look in my white casket, please. I'll take all the blame, I'll take all the wrath and pain. Dirt on my name, anything to make you see what I see. I live half a life, with all that I've done will show you why. If anyone should die, I'm a white casket.